Hi, good day to all. Today is my precious daughter's birthday, Ruth. She's now into 27, and we're happy to have her because she is truly a gift of God for us. And this simple celebration is dedicated to her. She didn't know yet when she's been in Tagbilaran, but we prepared this with the young people, and we have a different styles of having this affair because we have and cook uh, chickens and fish, and what we're doing now is to cook their own. Whoever wanted to eat, they will cook their own, and we're happy to have these guys. Dong Miroy. Miroy is the BCC students. He is graduating, I think, this year, hoping that his teachers will give him favor. And of course, Dong Jess and Shelami. We're happy to have them during this birthday. And of course, we have visitors here. And I hope they will not call visitors because they will coming back here again. So Pastor Lawrence, with these young people, ano? Yeah, Pastor Tim, the handsome pastor from Burgos, and of course his wife and Joshua, and other young peoples. They are such a lovely people, no? They are children of God, and of course the others, and they're handsome and beautiful. We're happy to have them tonight as we celebrate the simple celebrations of Ruth's birthday. We are very happy, and of course there's Kisha. She's always dancing, something like that. And yeah, we're happy tonight. What we do is to again to take our meals, but this is different again because we are going now to cook what we wanted to eat. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. We will start to do our celebration today as the fire is already prepared. Here's the fire, and yeah, here's the rice and uncooked viands. So tonight we're going to have this. And again, guys, thank you very much for subscribing our channel. My channel is Ronnie and Naomi's Life in the Philippines. You can watch our videos coming in, and of course the videos that I am uploaded is including our family, and of course the ministry and the different events that we have right now. And please subscribe Pastor Tim's channel.
FS Youth Journey TV.
Yeah, no. Also, Pastor Lawrence have a channel.
FS Youth Wilmar's TV. FS Youth Journey TV.
It's easy try.
Okay, yeah. We're about to start tonight for this. For me, it's a great event. Once again, thank you very much. God bless you all.